Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss analog electronic circuit. Subject code is 18EE34. So first we are going to discuss about the module 1. Okay. So here we are going to see the diodes. Okay. Using diodes, what are the application of diodes we are going to see. Review of diodes as a rectifier. So this is not uh, a part which is asking from the university exam. Just you should know what is meant by diode and how the diode will be acting as a rectifier circuits. Okay, so we know that diode is a PN junction provided with copper wire connecting leads becomes an electronic device which is known as a diode. So diode is nothing but it is having two junctions. The one side it is nothing but P, the other side it is nothing but N. Okay, so here the symbol with silver color, it is known as the cathode. The other side is nothing but the anode. So what is the application? One of the application of the diode is rectifier. So what is meant by rectifier? Rectifier is an electrical device composed of one or more diodes that converts alternating current to direct current, that is AC current to DC current. Diode is like a one-way valve that allows an electrical current to flow in only one direction. Okay, so this is called your rectification. Now we will move on to the next topic, that is diode clipper. Here the diode clipper is nothing but suppose if you don't want some amount of the output signal, that we can clip off. Okay, so that can be achieved by using diode clipper. This is the one of the applications of diode. Okay, so the clipper is nothing but the circuit which is having the ability to clip off the unwanted portion without distorting the remaining part of your waveform. Okay, so that is nothing your clippers. So the clipper, what is the advantages of clipper is you can cut the unwanted portion either in the positive side or in the negative side. Which portion we don't want, that we can clip off. Okay, generally there are two types of clipper circuit. One is series clipper, the other one is parallel clipper. How we are going to identify the series clipper and parallel clipper means, series clipper is one which is defined where the diode is connected in series with your load. Load is nothing but your resistance. Here we are going to use a resistance. If the diode is connected in series with the load, then the circuit is said to be series clipper circuit. Same thing, if the diode is connected in parallel to the load, then it is said to be parallel clipper. Okay, so this is the very important difference between the clipper and the, that is series clipper and the parallel clipper. Okay, so now I will show the circuit diagram of the series clipper. Okay, so this is nothing but your what I told. If the diode is connected in series with your load. Okay, suppose assume here my load circuit is nothing but your this resistance R. Okay, this is nothing but your resistance, load resistance. Now here you see my diode is connected in series with your resistance. Okay, so it is called as a series clipper. Okay, now this is nothing but your input waveform. Okay, this is nothing but your input waveform. Okay, so whenever the input is positive, for this diode connection, your diode will be short circuited. Okay, your diode will be short circuited. So if it is short circuited means, what is the voltage drop across the device? That is 0. Okay, so during positive cycle the diode will be conduct, and if I measure across the diode, my output voltage will be 0. See, my output voltage is 0. And during negative half cycle, what will happen? The diode will be open circuit, means that the diode will not conduct. Okay, because it is connected in forward bias, and this negative output, negative input will reverse bias your diode. So your output will be your same as that of your input. So during negative half cycle, you will get the output as negative waveforms. Okay, same thing here I am giving the triangular waveforms. Here also I will get the same output. Okay, now this is about your series clipper. And one more circuit I will explain here. See, here I am having the input. This is the another type of connection. Okay, Here this is also series clipper circuit only. And what is the difference between the earlier circuit and this circuit is, here the diode is, here also this is also series, because see the diode is connected in series with your load resistance. Okay, and here I'm going to include one more this one the power supply. Okay, that is DC power supply. I included in series with your diode. That is the only difference. Okay, the circuit is same. Here the diode is connected in series with your resistance. Only thing is, here I included one more power supply, DC power supply. Okay, this is my input. Okay, this is my input. Students, listen carefully. This is my input and this is my negative input and this is my positive input. Okay, so here I am assumed that here my input DC voltage, this is also input and this is also input. Okay, which is connected in series with your diode. Here this negative of this DC supply is connected in series with your positive of the diode. Here I am going to give the input peak to peak. Assume here positive peak is 2 volt and the negative peak is 2 volt. For example, I am telling, listen carefully. Positive peak of this input is 2 volt and negative peak of the input is 2 volt. Okay, and this DC voltage is 1 volt. Okay, so and here this negative is connected to the positive. Here what the power DC power supply will do, this negative will reverse bias your diode. Okay, this negative will reverse bias your diode. Okay, so during positive half cycle, see this is nothing but your instantaneous waveform. Okay, this is nothing but your instantaneous waveform. At 0 the amplitude of the AC waveform is 0. At some point 0.5 this amplitude will be 0.5. At 1 the amplitude will be sorry, here it is 2, no, at 2 here the amplitude will be 2, like that. It will keep each and every instant of time your amplitude will be changed. But this DC voltage will be always 1 volt only. Okay, I am going to give this DC voltage 1 volt and the positive peak of the sine waveform is 2 volt. Negative peak of the sine waveform is 2 volt. Okay. Now, if I give the input as well as the DC input, both input, the AC input as well as DC input, I am going to give to this circuit. Okay. Now, here the diode will not conduct until this sine waveform crosses the 1 volt of your DC. Okay. The diode will not conduct until the input voltage, that is the AC voltage, crosses the DC voltage. Okay. Until that the diode will be reverse bias. Once the AC voltage crosses the DC voltage, that is 1.01, or once if it is crosses this 1 volt, the diode starts conduct. Okay, the diode starts conduct. The diode starts conduct means, now what is after this 1 volt only, after this up to this 1 volt, your this one, your what is that? Your this diode will be open circuit. So across the resistance your output voltage will be 0. Okay, up to 1 volt of this DC your output voltage will be 0. So how your waveform, no? So this up to 1 volt means here up to 1 volt. Okay, so here I am going to draw the 1 volt DC here. Okay, if I draw 1 volt DC, if I drag so at this point suppose it is cutting means, so for example this 1 volt if you drag here, then you will up to this 1 volt, this will be maintained 0. Okay, I will show the this one output waveform. You see, whatever the points I have discussed, that only. See, the 1 volt means the diode will be, so the first half cycle I will show the output. You see here I told, no, see up to this here this is nothing but your 1 volt. Okay, this is nothing but your 1 volt. Whatever I have explained, that the theory part I have given there, up to this 1 volt. Okay, so what is your output? Your output will be 0. See here it is maintaining 0. The small gap is there, no, that is maintaining 0. After 1 volt what will happen? The output follows the input. Okay, so after 1 volt the output follows the input. Okay, and after that after this one Students, please, up to 1 volt, the output will be 0. After that, your output follows the input. Okay, because the diode will be short circuited. So, your whatever the input you have given, that you will get as a output. Okay, see here. So, that's what I have is here. What all those point, whatever I have told here, practically that is the thing. Okay, and the next what will happen, and for the next off cycle, what will happen for the next off cycle? So negative off cycle, what will happen? Negative off cycle, the from here, this point, that is at time t by 2 to t, your diode will be open circuit, so your output will be 0. Okay, so see here the output waveform I have shown here. So see, during positive cycle, up to 1 volt the output will be 0. After that, the output follows input. After this, see, completely you will get the from the during now negative off cycle, completely you will get a 0. Okay, so this is about your circuit. Okay, thank you, students.